Hello everyone, this is Elijah from Financial Anatomy coming at you with another video to help you take control of your financial destiny. We cover apps that involve money on this channel, and we're going to be talking about the Lyft app, not the driver app, the actual Lyft passenger app, and how you can add a payment method or delete one should you choose to. Start off by opening the Lyft app up, and then click on the person icon that says you at the bottom right hand of the screen. Once you're here, just scroll down and click on where it says payment. Then click on add payment method. You have the option to add a bank account, debit or credit card, Venmo, Google Pay, or cash. We're going to add a debit card for this example. From here, you just enter the debit card, then click on save. And the payment method has been added. If you wish to remove a payment method, just click on the payment method you wish to remove. And if you want, you can add a new card or delete this current one. I'm going to click on delete card. This asks me if I'm sure I want to delete it. Let's say yes. And boom, the payment method has been removed. That concludes this video. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new and give this video a thumbs up if you found value in it. This has been Elijah of Financial Anatomy. Don't forget to get out there and take control of your financial destiny, and I'll see you in the next video.